Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this logo, and especially the one I'm doing it for. If you tell me whether you're engraving or printing it, it would help me determine or try to help you a little bit more. So I took your original logo that was like 6x6 and I reduced it to less than an inch and a half both directions. I don't know if Corel does a better job at it this way, but I think it saves time in doing it. If I resample, you can see it's already above 300. And then I'm just going to go to trace bitmap, and I'm going to act like they're printing it. So I'm just going to trace it as a CMYK and then move it over. And you can see it's a good, sharp, clean logo now, with the exception it's got some gray left of the background or the t-shirt. And all you have to do is go to Object, Group, Ungroup, and then take those gray interior items away. And this would print. Now this gold is a different, I've got a yellow background. If you take that away, that looks good. Now you can't see the white, so you'd, hopefully be printing it on let's say a blue shirt, and go to Object and Group or Order and back a page. And that's what it's going to look like on a blue shirt. I'm going to do part 2. This is part 1 on how to maybe convert this so it would engrave. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.